I can record for 9 more minutes.
What?
I just started recording.
What? You okay?
Okay, but you can continue until the end.
No.
Stab the squid Kada. The lizard ate your food. What the
Did you zap itself?
I think it's up a smaller one. Really sword in the last map. Oh, that one. There's scavs and there's explosive spear. Oh, scavs. Okay, so respawn, I think. Actually, I'm not sure. There's leeches. If you want to kill those, I mean.
You can kill the bastards?
No.
I want to. What if I want to kill the leeches?
Can kill them.
Bombs? Will that work? Bombs?
I don't know. You just try to throw explosive at them at the same time as the.
Ah!
You kill the lizard.
Yes. I am expert hunter.
Sure. Fall down into the leech pool. Throw the bees. Wow, that's a pretty one. What? They're purple.
Haha. What?
Tears die.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Well, they're having fun. What they're doing that, I'm just gonna not get eaten.
You got eaten.
Oh, yeah, I noticed.
Eat the bees. Microwave the bees. Don't get leeched. We gotta go further up. We gotta let the leeches fall off. Oh no. Brought on by the bees.
I think I drowned.
I think it was a lizard that ate you.
Where am I? There I am.
Oh, it's there. Bees. Eat the bees and the lizards. Eat the bees.
What's that red thing that keeps flying upwards?
What? What red thing?
What's a red thing that flamed up?
I don't know. Effect. I think this is the last round. Was that round 99? Oh no!
Let's end this with a bang!
For real. I think it is, might not be. Yeah, round 100! Now
Oh,
the final score.
Oh, look at all the lizards.
Okay, now it's the final score.
No, I'm just gonna watch lizards loop.
They're all stuck in each other. Look at that white pop snake, now it's pink. Looks white on the screen.
Is it rose pink? Cool fireflies. Lots of deaths.
Oh please, you die more than me! You still haven't beaten my scout score.
No, it's hard to beat that. Well, farewell, I guess.
Bye!